Hey there, Heather Freeman here with the Painted Playground, and I get to teach women how to have fun playing with paint. Welcome, and I'm just playing with some pattern today. Pattern is one of those things that is a lot of fun to play with. So when you're hopping on and joining me, let me know where you're watching from today. So playing with pattern with the mark, is that something that you like to play with when you are painting? I'd love to know. So dashes, dots, there's all different kinds of ways that we can use pattern in our designs. And when we're playing, hello from Connecticut. So dots, dashes, so kind of laid out a little design for myself, and now I'm just beginning to add some pattern. And I'm using a paint pen. All different kinds of paint pens you can use. There's Sharpie. Markers are great because they're a permanent marker, and so once you draw on your canvas and it dries, you can go over it with paint. So let's see, I'm going to do some lines over here. And I like to kind of just randomly throw my lines in. So then it gives it a more unique look and they're not all even. Versus if I just kind of came in and started going around my circle and starting on one end and going all the way to the other side, it tends to look more even. I like the random marks and the unevenness. So you got to go with what feels good for you. Smooth that one out. Let's see. Maybe some little whoop-de-doos. So yeah, if you're just joining me, let me know, do you like to use pattern in your paintings? Pattern can show up in many different ways. With our marks, the colors that we use, the shapes that we use. Today I'm playing with a little bit of both shape and mark. Patterns are really fun. I don't know if anyone has done the Zentangle. Those are super fun, and it's all about pattern. I have little books of Zentangle that they're easy to take with me when I'm traveling. Those are super fun to do, just to keep the creativity flowing. While I'm traveling, it's easy to pack. And I can just either bring a little set of paints or markers or watercolors. And color in those Zentangles that are already there. But it's super fun to create your own patterns. Let's see, what else do I want to do? Maybe dots, lines with dots. My sunshine. cactus. Add some lines into my cactus. I can add some pattern on my cactus as well. So yeah, I just wanted to hop in, show you, how you can play with patterns. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments. Any questions really about my painting process, my paints, like how I pick out paints or brushes, some of the tools that I use. If you've got any questions, feel free to make a comment. Let's see, what else do I want to do? Ooh, maybe some little swirls are always fun. And this is something that's, you can grab a journal, a sketchbook, and start playing with doodles. And start creating your own marks, and then refer back to that sketchbook when you come to the canvas and you're looking for ideas, for inspiration on what to doodle. You can use your sketchbook where you've already played, come back to for some ideas. Some dashes. Maybe some triangles. Doodling is a great way to kind of get into that meditative space. And play. Let your mind go. And just make marks that feel good. Maybe some lines this way. Thicken this up. Let's see. I can start to see how that's coming together. Just going to keep filling this in. Let's see. Just do some stripes. Maybe some more triangles. This is super fun because you can really just add any pattern. It doesn't have to make sense. Just because I did dots over here doesn't mean I have to do dots somewhere over here. It's really all about the play. I'll do some circles. And the pattern gives it a certain rhythm and flow. Do some dots in there. Do some lines this way. And let's see. Random more dots. Yeah, let's see, what else do I want? Maybe some more. I want some dashes. Okay. There we go. We've got some random patterns all around there. And this little cacti is ready for some paint. All right. So I'm going to keep working. If you want to see more, give me a thumbs up below. And I'll post a picture of this finished guy all painted. And have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Hope you get to play today. Play with some paint. Play with some pattern. And I'll see you next time at the canvas. All right. Bye for now.